push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Failures and success are the two aspects of human life. We can say failures and success are the two brother and sisters of human life. Sometimes we fail in our efforts. Sometimes we fail in our efforts. The proverb means success.
My topic, this is based on as we know, this seminar is based on tour. Some days ago we went to tour, we went to Chitrakoot from American side. That day we left Allahabad at 7:30 am. We played many games in the bus like Antakshari, Shairi competition and mimicry. In the bus we enjoyed a lot in the bus. We came to know on the bus that tour was going to be very interesting. We reached Chitrakoot at 11 am.
Start now. Thank you. So, the word environment came from French word environ, which means surrounds. In other words, we can say that whatever we see in our surroundings, this is known as environment. So, what are the components of environment? So, we can talk. There are two components of our environment. First is biotic and second one is abiotic. So what is biotic?
I'm going to give my intro. My name is Kumari Mira. I am from Bihar. Now I am preparing for CDS. Apart from this, I am learning communication skill. Now let's talk on illiteracy in India. According to United Nations, illiteracy is basically defined as the inability to read and write. People with this inability and lack of knowledge in a particular field are called illiterate. Illiteracy in India causes many problems such as poverty, unemployment, child labour and population. We all know that India is the second largest populated country in the world and its illiteracy rate is also high. To remove illiteracy rate, we should be all educated. If we all educate, our country पर बैठे क्यों आसमान देखता है, यूँ ज़मीन पे बैठे क्या आसमान देखता है, खोल पंखों को ये जमाना उड़ान देखता है, खोल पंखों को जमाना ये उड़ान देखता है.
About the duties of, first of all, I want to say about the evils of our society. There are many evils of our society, such as feticide, child marriage, dowry system, illiteracy, ignorance, untouchability, and so on. First of all, I want to say female feticide. Female feticide is the intentionally killing of female babies due to the preference of male babies. So this is the curse of our society, and the place for learning spoken English. So we have to follow the instruction of our teacher and make our life that we could communicate very well. Now I would like to introduce myself. I am Riya Sahu. I belong to Chitrakoot. Currently I live in Prayagraj and I am pursuing graduation from university. Today my topic is Mr. Jamsetji Tata. And before I deliver my speech, I would like to say that you all should listen carefully to me so that you could get some message from his story. So Mr. Jamsetji Tata, when he was only 14 years, he started to work in his father business.
If you're planning a year, you sow rice. If you're planning a decade, you plant tree. If you're planning for long time, you educate people. Important role in human's life, because without education we are like just animals. Education is differentiate to human's life and animal life. Education is the key of
now in our nature, everything and every person have a knowledge for us, and if we want to learn everything, are working like a teacher. So I think our nature is our best teacher.
In few days I went to go to Chitrakoot. Chitrakoot is the famous religious, historical and cultural site. Chitrakoot is located Vindhyan range in MP.
छुपाइएगा, किसी का स्पीच अच्छा हो या ना हो, तालियां जरूर बजाइएगा।
छिपा लेंगे तुम आओ तो सही, जख्म दिल के सिला लेंगे तुम आओ तो सही। माना कि शहर मशहूर है अंधेरों का शहर, चांद आंगन में उठा लेंगे तुम आओ तो सही।
Popularly known as the Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Ambedkar is called as a Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Ambedkar is called as the father of Indian Constitution. Since he was the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee, he was the Indian history
From Prayagraj. Today I am standing here in front of you to giving my speech this topic on a teacher. And first of all, I would like to pay thanks to sir for giving me this golden opportunity. So we all know about teacher. Who is teacher and what meaning of teacher? I think that who teach us in school, colleges.
सब कुछ बताया जाए तो अच्छा रहेगा, अब कुछ ना छुपाया जाए तो अच्छा रहेगा। सब कुछ बताया जाए तो अच्छा रहेगा, कुछ ना छुपाया जाए तो अच्छा रहेगा। और अदालत सजी है तेरे मोहल्ले में तो हमको कोई गिला नहीं, और अदालत सजी है तेरे मोहल्ले में तो हमको कोई गिला नहीं। गवाह मेरे मोहल्ले से बुलाया जाए तो अच्छा रहेगा, गवाह मेरे मोहल्ले से बुलाया जाए। तोहमतें लगी हैं तेरी गली से गुजरने की, और मुझ पर तोहमतें लगी हैं तेरी गली से गुजरने की, तो रास्ता बाजार जाने का तेरा भी बताया जाए तो अच्छा रहेगा।
Was given in 1930. That was, you can kill a person but you can't kill idea of that person. It's mean the idea of that individual person cannot be killed ever, but somebody individual can be killed. The idea of the somebody person would be wandering forever, for centuries, for decades, and for a long. So if I am saying that I'm talking about Bhagat Singh, then it's not mean actually what happens in India when someone says that I'm going to deliver about Bhagat Singh. So people assume that he's going to talk about violence, he's going to talk about pistols, like these things. But whatever I know about Bhagat Singh, that is more than that personality. So actually when Bhagat Singh was in
life, a student learn many things from book. After his student life is over, so he needs practical knowledge of things after his student life is over.
Water is one of the most important resources found on earth, along with food and oxygen. It is the basic need for all living forms, not for only humans. It is also for animals and plants. Our biological process dependent on the water. Approx 60% of our body consists of water. In our day-to-day life too,
resources and opportunity for employment regardless of gender. If we see in historical perspective, in Vedic period the condition of women was good. There is evidences related to them that women were participating in Sabha and Samitis with several political.
As a spiritual leader, philosopher, and a great personality in the world. He was born on 12th January in 1863 in a Round Datta family. His father, Mr. Vishnunath Datta, was an attorney, and his mother.
Product. Actually, before the product, I would like to say full form of GDP I already written, gross domestic product. To understand the meaning of the GDP, we will start with the end, that is product. So what is the product? Product is like something kind of goods. We can say in regular use we say this is a product and this is a product. But in this word, product means the services and the goods which are produced. Okay, and the second thing, like the domestic word. Domestic means the territory of India. Like all the, you can say from.
Time is the most important factor for progress of human beings. Time is running continuously. Time once gone is gone forever. It will never come back. Time gives equal opportunity to all. It does not say poor and rich, old and young, healthy and sick. It is equal important to all. Time waits for no one, because
it is that women should not be allowed to do any work other than home, and we are still doing that despite of being so educated and being in the 21st century. we are doing these illiterate things. Have you ever wondered what we are doing to girls by not giving their rights to them? No. Why? Because it will reduce our pride if a girl go studies and go outside and will do a job. In this time, it is very important for a girl to be self-dependent and should also be educated. Because there are so many houses where girls do not know how to use Android mobile. And if there is
institutional and structural, institutional, political and social, political awareness, law, governance and how to family planning, and social by NGO and social media, and structure is
As you know, cyber security means that to protect information, product and other information. Nowadays, cyber security created so many problems, and as you know, there is a major type of cyber security as like a hacking. It is the illegal practice which breaches the computer security system.
Students play a very important role in society. They are